Close getaway Ratgon SG. Gorgeous eco retreat along the Saigon River. This is an amazing eco resort. We stayed in this place from 18th of December 2024 to 20th of December 2024 at room V89. Located along the Saigon River, it was fantastic, quiet, serene and a fantastic place to chill, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The garden pool suite that we stayed in was one of the nicest suite we've stayed in. Clean with an overall wonderful design and a good size plunge pool for that morning, noon or evening dip. The staffs were amazing. Attentive from the time of check-in to when we check out. Credits and commendations must be given to two staffs in particular. Miss Mahi, who is our private butler, was simply outstanding. She has delivered impeccable service to our stay here. Attentive and always ensuring our stay is a memorable one. The other is Mr. Suller, who delivered great service when fetching us from the airport and constantly chat us while in the resort to ensure we are having a wonderful time. Applauds to these two. On the whole, a wonderful experience. Our only regret is we could only manage to stay a short 3 days 2 nights here, as we need to be near the city subsequently. We have no hesitation in recommending this resort and will definitely stay here again if we are in Ho Chi Minh City. Mr. Mohammed Emran and Ms. Z Ali, cozy experience. The place is nice, not so far from HCM. The room is beautiful, foods is delicious, the lounge is cozy with elegant decoration and design. The staffs are friendly and warm. Overnight stay, I wished we stayed longer. One of the best hotel/resort experience of our lives. Nice view, service good and take care good also. Still come back. Quick review: overnight stay with wonderful staff and a true 5-star experience, highly recommended for a stay outside District 1.